Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Aisha Jamila Karabangra. I'm the Shabby and Shaz Creations, and today's series is on the skin toning enhancing package. Now, this is a wonderful package for people that either have chemical damaged skin, sun damaged skin, discoloration really bad, and wants to just move that process in a full circle, meaning you want to do everything to make it work fast. Fast for Sasha's creation is 2 to 6 weeks. Okay, so this is a really enhanced package. What are you going to get in the package and how are you going to use it? So let's just break that up a little bit. So you're going to get um, 4 soaps. This is the Kojic sand soap, osmotic soap, which is a detox soap, and orange papaya, organic papaya. So you want to start with osmotic. So you want to detox your skin. This is a liquid soap, Share Special Blend liquid soap. This is a leave-in soap. You can use the soap and leave it on for as long as you can tolerate. Very thin layer. You don't need a lot of the soap for it to really work, and you don't need to add soap when you get in the shower. So how are you going to use the soaps? We believe in soap rotations at Shaz Creations. So you're going to start with a detox soap, 4 to 10 days, switch to the next soap, 4 to 10 days, switch to the next soap, 4 to 10 days, and whenever you want to, you can use the liquid soap 4 to 10 days. But the liquid soap really needs to, all the soaps work better if you leave them on for a little bit. And if you haven't watched the video on how to take a bath, please take a minute and go to our YouTube channel and watch the video. Also, while you're there, subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media sites, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so when we upload videos you'll be able to follow up with the educational series at Shaz Creations. So now, after your bath, you've used these soaps, you lathered it, you've lathered your skin, you've waited a little bit, no water running, and you've actually scrubbed a little, and you've seen a lot of the debris and the dust and the dirt come out of your skin. You want to be able to use your serums. You can choose either one of the serums. It doesn't matter which one you choose, either one. One is for daytime, one is for nighttime. Few drops is all you need. You don't have to apply it all over your skin. You're going to apply your neckline up, your face, your neck. 2 drops is enough, most 3. You just need up from here, from there and here, your brow line up. Okay, don't forget every part of your face, your ears, back of your neck. So that's the only place you need to really put the serums on. And I've given you 2 oils for brightening and glowing that you can use the oils after your cream. So you're going to go soap, these are the soaps, serum, lotion, right here, lotion or cream, and then you're going to put the oils on top. Did we get that? So soaps, you're going to rotate them every 4 to 10 days, starting with osmotic soap. Then you're going to do your serum after your skin is dry, and you're going to do your cream right here. This cream may be replaced with a 4-in-1 cream. So if you see the 4-in-1 cream in your package, because we had a conversation, I thought you'll benefit more from the 4-in-1 cream than the natural skin cream. And then you have 2 oils that you can follow right after. And then, of course, the last thing you're going to do is put some sunscreen on. Please be aware that you have to use sunscreen. It's very essential that you use sunscreen to protect your skin. Now, if you're trying to contact me, whatever link, whatever site you're on, my phone numbers are listed. Or if you came to the website, my phone numbers are listed right up top, right here. Okay, from the depth of my soul, I thank you for watching, and please share the video. Please encourage your friends to follow us in YouTube, and all our social media outlets. From the depth of my soul, I thank you all for watching. This is Aisha Jamila Kara, the Shabby and Shaz Creations. Salam, peace.